Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you iOS 26 Ultimate Home Screen Setup. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you set any minimal wallpaper on your iPhone. Like this. Simply set wallpaper . Now remember guys, tap on customize home screen and unblur this home screen wallpaper and tap on done. Now look at this, our wallpaper set. Okay, second step, remove these widgets and arrange icons like this. Now guys, simply you have to download this app on your iPhone. Guys, this app download link available on description. Before open this app, first guys, take your clean home screen screenshot like this. After taking screenshot, now open this app and look at this menu of options and widgets with categories in this app. Now simply go to manage, tap on setup transparency and remember only enable this true transparency option and disable liquid glass. Now simply tap on add wallpaper and add this screenshot. Guys, iPhone don't support transparent widgets, that's why set up transparent background like this for transparency effect on widgets. Now tap on done. After complete this setup, make sure this wallpaper add. Now go to tap on explore and tap on home. Sorry, look at this, my internet connection not connect. Simply enable internet on your device. Now look at this, menu of widgets, small, medium and large size available. Simply go to large size and look at this large size. Simply find Bellatrix widget on large size. Look at this Bellatrix. Tap and tap on import widget. Click on dismiss. Now tap on manage. Choose large VD slot. Now tap on this widget. Now select position like this. I recommend set this position on top. Simply tap on done. Tap on no. Now you can see large VG slot, add Bellatrix widget. Simply go to home screen, tap on edit, go to add widget, find this widget app. Now go to large widget. Guys, look at this large widget for now looking empty, but after add look at this widget add on my desktop home screen. Look at this everyone. Okay, now last step is set your icons dark and look at this my ultimate home screen. Guys, you set different type of home screens using these steps. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.